Hello, it's how to not to bringing you another washing machine video. Yes, here we are again with my Whirlpool washing machine, and in this video I will be showing you how to brighten your laundry and remove stains from your whites by using bicarbonate of soda, also known as baking soda, which is commonly used in baking to help baked goods rise, but it's also very good at cleaning literally anything. I'm going to add approximately 2 scoops or a cup of baking soda, depending on the amount of laundry you're washing. So I'm going to put the whites in the washing machine, and I'm just going to put that directly with the sheets in there. So this is a cheap and effective way to clean your laundry. Not only will it remove stains, it will also remove odour. Okay, next I'm going to add Daz washing powder for whites and colours. And how much do I use? Depends on how much I'm washing. 105ml for 65 grams, so I'll probably need a bit more than that. And this will go directly in the washing machine dispenser. So here's one I made earlier. I'm also going to add comfort conditioner to help soften the load. I usually add gel detergent directly in the drum, but I'm not going to do that. With this wash, I'm going to let the soda do all the work. And so with all that done, so I'm going to set the washing machine to eco-friendly cotton wash at 40 degrees. Okay, I'm now going to leave you with the wash cycle. So please don't go anywhere, as at the end of this video I will be showing you the results. If you can't watch the cycle, just go make yourself a cup of tea and I'll still be here when you come back. And if you're watching this before you go to bed, please don't fall asleep. Remember Freddy Krueger. Never sleep again. Is that it for today?
I'm happy, yeah, because if every day I do a little bit, then I could finish it and be done with it and then market it.
Is that it for today? I'm happy, yeah, because if every day I do a little bit, then I could finish it and be done with it and then market it.
Almost there. It's now doing a spin, and that doesn't sound healthy, does it? Every time it does a spin now, it makes these strange noises. I think the washing machine is like more than 6 years old now, and probably only has a few cycles of life left in it. Oh boy. I have been thinking of upgrading to Samsung, but still not sure. As you've heard on the news, especially here in the UK, thousands of Whirlpool washing machines have been recalled. And that includes the Hot Point model as well, and the Indecent as well has been also recalled due to a fault in the washing machines. I would have bought the same model, but unfortunately, it's out of the question now. Please leave a comment below on which washing machine I should buy, as this will help me out a great deal. So, and please also tell me what washing machine you have as well, and if it's a great washing machine, then please recommend in the comments below. The cycle's finally finished, so I'm just going to take them out.
Any ideas?
My sheets do look whiter, and they smell great as well. They're a lot brighter than before I put them in. However, the light isn't very good here, so it's not showing up very well on camera. Let me just move it into the light. So there you can see the baking soda has brightened my wash. I'm just going to take them outside to dry. Just hope it doesn't rain. So there you can see the baking soda has done its job at brightening my washing, and I would recommend using baking soda with your wash, as it also removes odour as well. The baking soda is also good at cleaning your washing machine, removing any grime, odours that are left behind. Yeah, so with every wash, use your baking soda. Kill germs and remove any odours from your washing machine. And in my next video, I will be showing you how to clean your washing machine. Believe me, my washing machine does need a good clean, and I'll be doing that in my next video. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to see that video. And if it isn't in my next video, then it will be my next video. So thanks for watching. Oh, please like. I'm going to pop my wipes. So I'm going to wipe my ass. So I'm going to pop my wipes. So I'm going to pop my wipes. I can't speak. Take a breath. Okay, I've got it this time. I've got it. So I'm going to... Oh, am I still recording? So I'm going to wipe my ass. I'm okay, I'm okay. I can't do it, I can't do it. So I'm going to pop my wipes into the wipes. So I'm going to pop my wipes. You try and do it without laughing. So I'm going to pop my wipes. So I'm going to pop my wipes in. So I'm going to pop my wipes